guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rick, and today we're unboxing 3 brand new products from Apple. So, why don't we start with the Apple Watch SE Nike Edition Space Gray. Okay, so now let's move on to the 2021 Pride Edition watch band. And last but not least, the transparent case for the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. So that's it for today's unboxing. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, leave a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe to the channel, it would mean the world to me. Thank you so much guys, stay safe and have a great day.